let's take a closer look at this week's spectacular giveaway competition mini, Baloo. So this is what I would call an old school tuned 1275 classic mini, taking it back to the original tuning days of a classic mini. We've got Fiesta RS Turbo bucket seats with harnesses. We've got Alcantara door cards. We've got an Alcantara steering wheel with center marker. We've got stripped out carpets. This thing is properly cool. Tinted rear windows. We've got a full Fletcher exhaust system. This car has been repainted in island blue, but other than that, this car has never been welded. It is all original other than the Mark 1 bonnet, which is obviously a nice addition. We've got Cooper 500 clocks with an oil pressure gauge, as already mentioned. Fiesta RS Turbo seats, which are just a serious throwback with harnesses. We've got all new chrome and stainless steel. We've got SportPack arches. We've got a 10-inch wheel conversion with Cooper S brakes. We've got fully adjustable suspension. We've got a 1275 beautifully tuned engine. So it's got a HIV 44 carb with a needle profiled to suit. We've got a 12G1805 fully worked head. We've got a full Fletcher exhaust system. We've obviously got a Fletcher rad for extra cooling, etc. We've got clear lens kit. We've got a Mark 1 bonnet, as already mentioned. This thing is seriously a cool throwback to how minis should be tuned. You do not need any more than 75 brake horsepower in a classic mini. Head over to www.ukminis.co.uk to get your tickets. One of you is winning this on Sunday in our live guaranteed draw. Good luck.